Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to burn, extract, and create ISO image on your Windows computer. Cocosenor ISOTuner is the all-in-one ISO image utility that enables users to manage the ISO image with ease. This software is free, so everyone can download and use it. Part 1: How to burn ISO image to USB flash drive. Open the software and click the Burn option. Now select the ISO file. Insert the USB drive into your computer. Well, click the refresh button and your USB drive will appear on the box. Choose the partition style. OK, the ISO image is successfully burned into the USB drive. Part 2: How to extract ISO file. Open the software and click the Extract option. OK, select your ISO image file to extract. In no time, the IS0 image file is extracted. You can choose the content to export. Here, select a folder to save your content. Now click the Start button. Well, you can view the extracted content now. Part 3: How to create your ISO image. Run the software and select the Create option. Click the folder icon to add your files. OK, you can see the files are shown on the panel. Click the Next button to continue. Now select a location to save the ISO image file. After that, click the Start button. Well done! The ISO image file is created successfully. You can have a check now. Part 4: How to copy CD, DVD disk to make ISO file. Open the software and click the Copy option. Then select the CD or DVD drive. Select a folder to save the file. OK, click the Start button. Now the CD, DVD data is burned to an ISO image file on your computer. That's all. Thanks for watching.